Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mask text to your videos in CapCut PC. So this is a new feature that they have, so it's a little bit easier. Select your video and go to mask, add in your mask, and then select text. And here's where you can add in your default text. I'm just going to type in rainbow. And again, you can change the font here that you use, which is super cool. Like, I wish that they had this like a long time ago, but I guess this is a new feature, which I don't mind. Let's do this one because I really like it. And then here you can change the color of the, I guess, background. So select your video again, go to basic. You can either place it on top of another video or select a color for this. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.